In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set start and end date for Microsoft Forms. If you need your form to only accept responses during a specific window, maybe for a timed quiz, an event registration, or a limited time survey, Microsoft Forms makes this easy. You're simply going to define when the form opens and when it closes, and Forms will handle the rest for you. Start by signing in to Microsoft Forms at forms.microsoft.com with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, open the form or quiz you want to manage so you're on the editing screen for that specific form. At the top of the page, look for the action bar. There's an icon with 3 dots. This is More Form Settings. Select that, and then choose Settings from the menu. This opens the Settings panel on the right side of your screen. In the Settings panel, find the option labeled Start Date. Check the box to enable it. You'll see a date picker and a time field appear. Select the exact date and time when you want the form to begin accepting responses. Before that moment, people can view the form if they have the link, but they won't be able to submit it. This is useful if you want to share the link in advance but not allow early submissions. Next, find the End Date option and check that box as well. Choose the date and time when responses should stop being accepted. Setting an end date ensures that submissions after that point won't go through. This prevents late entries and helps you maintain a clear cutoff for analysis or logistics. As you make these selections, keep an eye on the time format and time zone used by your device or account. Double-check that you've chosen AM or PM correctly, and that your start date is before your end date to avoid conflicts. A quick review saves confusion later, especially if you're coordinating across different regions. One helpful detail: changes in Microsoft Forms save automatically. There's no Save button to click. As soon as you set your dates and times, the settings are active. After your end date and time pass, the form will automatically stop accepting responses. Visitors will see a notice, such as, "This form is not accepting responses." So it's clear the submission window has closed. And that's all you need. Set your start date. Set your end date. Let the automatic saving do its work. And your form will open and close exactly when you want.